How artificial intelligence could change warfare forever. Our today's topic is artificial intelligence, which can change warfare forever. So, AI is rapidly reshaping the nature of warfare, battles, and wars with profound implications for strategy, operations, and ethics. So, as a nations, you can see the race to integrate artificial intelligence into their military frameworks. The consequences could fundamentally alter how wars are fought and how peace is maintained. So, here are key ways artificial intelligence could change warfare forever. We will discuss all of these key ways in detail. So first one is enhanced decision making. So here AI systems can process vast amount of data in real time, enabling faster and more informed decision making based on battlefield analysis and command and control. So in battlefield analysis, AI can analyze satellite images, troop movements, and communication patterns to predict enemy actions, and command and control deals with artificial intelligence assisted operations. Centers can recommend strategies and identify vulnerabilities. Its impact may be this could lead to more precise military operations, but also the potential for over reliance on algorithms. Second one is autonomous weaponry. Here, AI enables the development of weapons that can operate without direct human intervention, which can be more dangerous. So let's see. First one is drones. Swarm drones equipped with AI can autonomously identify and attack targets. Then missiles which AI guided missiles can adjust their trajectory in real time based on changing conditions. So if we talk about the impact, while increasing efficiency, autonomous weapons raise ethical concerns about accountability and the potential for misuse. And then third one is cyber warfare evolution. So AI transforms the scope and scale of cyber operations. One is offensive capabilities, uh, which is about all AI driven malware can learn and adapt to infiltrate networks, and then defensive measures in which AI systems can detect and neutralize threats before they breach security systems. Its impact may be warfare may become more covert and destructive, targeting critical infrastructure and causing widespread disruption and damage. Fourth one is intelligence and surveillance. So, in intelligence and surveillance, we can say the AI powered surveillance systems can monitor vast areas and identify threats with unparalleled accuracy. So, there will be facial recognition, identify individuals in real time during counterinsurgency operations. Pattern recognition means detecting suspicious activities or movements across borders, and its impacts, uh, you can say, in enhanced surveillance raises concerns about privacy and the militarization of civilian technologies. And fifth one is reduced human risk. So this may be good in a sense, but some in other sense this may be a bad, because there will be no fear of loss of human life. So by deploying AI powered systems, militaries can minimize human involvement in high risk scenarios. Unmanned vehicles, as you know, robots and drones can perform reconnaissance, rescue missions, and hazardous tasks. Remote warfare, AI allows forces to operate from safe distances, reducing casualties, and its impact may be while reducing soldiers' casualties. This detachment may lower the threshold for initiating conflict. And then psychological operations. AI can manipulate information to influence enemy and civilian perceptions. Deep fake technology, which means generating fake videos to spread misinformation or demoralize opponent. I mean, there may be a speech of a president of a enemy state, in which he or she may announcing the start of war. So deep fake technology is very risky for the peace of the world. And then targeted propaganda, using AI to analyze social media and deliver tailored disinformation campaigns. Impact means psychological operations could destabilize societies and erode trust in information. Then 7 point is logistics and supply chain optimization. Logistic and supply chain optimization. It means AI streamlines military logistics, ensuring timely delivery of supplies and reinforcement, in which there are two important bullet headings. First one is predictive maintenance. AI can anticipate equipment failures and schedule repairs. Dynamic routing means optimizing supply routes to avoid threats and reduce impact. Will be improved logistics, enhance operational efficiency, but may create vulnerabilities if systems are hacked. And eighth one is ethical and legal challenges. There will be ethical and legal challenges. So AI introduces unprecedented challenges in international law and ethics. First one is accountability. Who is responsible for AI driven decisions in warfare? And then compliance, ensuring AI adheres to laws of war, such as distinguishing between combatants and armies and civilians. So the impact will be the lack of global regulations on AI in warfare could lead to an arms race with catastrophic consequences. So then we will go forward to conclusions, where AI has the potential to revolutionize warfare, making it faster, more efficient, and potentially less reliant on human soldiers. However, the risks are equally significant, ranging from ethical dilemmas to the possibility of uncontrolled escalation. Balancing innovation with regulation will be critical to ensuring artificial intelligence is used responsibly in the context of global security. Okay, Allah Hafiz.